off of. You can get Harry for Turkey. You get the cyst on the throat. You get they've cut the heart open, and they've got the lungs.
Ring, 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 ring.
That's disgusting.
Go away.
Go away.
Hey, don't worry. Fucking fail at life.
You bloody what?
You what?
Bad man.
Right, bad man.
Bad man.
I want your bud.
What? What was that? Oh, my finger keeps getting in the way.
Casey, do the honk honk.
Huh?
Do the honk honk.
Oh no.
Wake up the neighbours.
Every time I come to Amy's house, this is how I get her to open the front door. Honk! The sad thing is, she can actually hear it up here.
I can fucking hear her
And she
outside
goes,
in the
"Hey,
car.
I'm coming."
I have to jump to reach your knocker. It's bad.
I've climbed through my window before.
But this one up here.
Living room window.
Ring, 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 ring.